Okay. Tapos yung start na flip. Okay.
Ito ba? Paano?
Okay, so let's start. Okay, hello! Magandang umaga at magandang gabi at magandang hapon. Saan man sulok kayo ng mundo, magandang araw and welcome to Tagalog Webinar. At in-invite namin kayo para ibahagi namin sa inyo ang the company's Valentus at ang Valentus ay 6 na taon na. At may mga tao na and we are looking for time freedom, better health at money. And then ito yung mga tatlong aspeto na talagang inaasam ng mga bawat tao. At 96% ngayon ay talagang namumroblema sa kanilang finances at sa kanilang kalusugan, lalo na higit sa panahon ngayon ng pandemya. At napakagandang nais na ibahagi sa inyo ang industriya. Ano-ano nga ba yung mga industriya na talagang kumikita na malaki? Gaya ng music industry, ito ay worth 15 billion at ang movie industry ay 88 billion. Yung mga video games industry naman ay 76 billion. At yung mga natural food industry ay 90 billion. At ang napakaganda, yung mga home-based business na napapaloob sa network marketing business, ito ay nagkakahalaga ng 189 billion. Bakit nga ba network marketing? So, 'di ba ang kagandahan kasi ngayon talagang at sa mga susunod na trend na industry na talagang bubulusok is napapaloob sa network marketing at word of mouth talaga ang very very powerful at 'di ba ang noon pa man talagang nagre-recommend na tayo, 'di ba pag kumain tayo sa isang restaurant, talagang nire-recommend natin 'yon. Yung form na pagre-recommend at pagkikwento sa iba ng experience mo, yan ay ang network marketing. At talagang real people at totoong result. Hindi tayo katulad ng ibang company na nagbabayad tayo ng mga celebrities para i-promote ang ating produkto, ating business. So tayo ang mismo ang nagpo-promote, yung mga distributor or consumer. At katulad nga kumbaga ang traditional business, ito naman kung gagawa ka ng isang negosyo, pag nasa traditional business ka naman, kailangan siya ng malaking kapital. Kailangan ng mga empleyado, kailangan ng marketing strategy, accounting, no? So, ito yung kailangan meron kang malaking kapital. So, at least minimum of 50,000 kailangan yung investment mo rito. Next. At ang kagandahan naman sa gusto namin ibahagi sa inyo, nagsisimula ang isang negosyo in network marketing, minimal yung investment mo. Gaya sa Valentus, we have only $20. Sa pera na sa Pilipinas is 1,000 pesos. At it has seven free website at meron na rin siyang research and development at bahala na yung kumpanya na mag-compute para sa atin. And it has an unlimited income potential. Okay, next. At ang Valentus ay ang kagandahan dito ay merong 5 elemento, no? At ang pinakamagandang elemento doon ay ang ika-6, which is the culture, no? Kaya ako nagustuhan din sumali sa Valentus bukod sa kaya ko siyang gawin dahil work from home. Dahil simula nung nagpandemya, work from home na kami. At ang kagandahan dito ay ang kultura na kung saan ang ating CEO na si Dave and Joyce ay gusto talaga nila na magtagumpay ang bawat tao sa ganitong industriya. At narito sina Joyce and Dave Jordan. So sila ang ating CEO. At ang Valentus ay nagsimula noong July 2014. Ito ay back up ng milyon-milyong kapital at wala siyang pagkakautang. At ang headquarters ng Valentus ay nasa Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and over 20 million in total revenue. Next. At sa Valentus, hindi lamang katulad ng ibang weight loss program. Ang mga weight loss, karamihan, gaya din na na-experience ko, ang weight loss program, masyadong komplikado, masyadong malaki ang investment mo dyan, and very compliant. At ang napakaganda, no, the world most successful coffee in Valentus dito sa Pilipinas is the Optimum Dark Roast Coffee. So napakaganda ditong coffee na ito at dahil ito ay merong Vaso-6 at nakakatulong to sa blood circulation sa ating katawan. At ang Valentus ay pamilya ito ng health family of weight management products. At maraming iba-ibang klaseng produkto ang makikita nyo. It also controls the appetite. Visit lang kayo sa valentus.com. Marami kayong produktong makikita doon at marami kayong matututunan. Thanks. At isa sa pinaka-favorite kong products, the Thermoperk, no? And Thermoperk, it is a vegan capsule and it gives you extra punch and it increase the thermogenic fat burning sa ating katawan. At ito ay gluten-free din at mood booster. Next. At ang Valentus, meron din siyang NCD. Ito yung pang-detox sa ating katawan. At meron ding Freewell Detox. Ito naman na nagsisilbing tagalinis ng ating gut, ng ating digestive tract. Okay, next. At ang Prevail Energy at Immune Boost, napakaganda po rin itong source ng fiber at very napakagandang pang-boost ng ating immune system, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. At meron din tayong Prevail Max. Mamaya may mag-share sa atin ano yung pinaka-highlight din itong products na to, no? Masasaksihan nyo rin. And it also oxygenates your blood at nakakatulong din siya sa ating absorption and blood regeneration ng ating cells. Okay, next. At bukod dun sa ating mga iniinom, meron din tayong skincare products. So meron tayong Instant Youth. So yan naman yung papahid natin sa ating mukha. At ito naman ay ang More Detox. Ito naman ay it's also a vegan formula, cellular energy and efficiency, at wala siyang amoy. Ito yung yung black water. At yeah. Okay, next. At isa sa pinakamagandang produkto ng ating kumpanya ay ang Emulin C. It manages the refined carbohydrates and decrease fat tissue at isa rin siyang vegan and all natural. At dalawa po yung ating Emulin. Isa na nagko-control ng ating sugar at ang isa naman ay para mapanatili ang ating kalusugan. So para naman i-explain sa inyo at ibahagi sa inyo ano nga ba si Valentus, ano ba yung maganda ba yung trend na yan, no? So, I would like to introduce to you one of my partners, Rose Reyes. She is a registered nurse. She's doing this business full-time. She's a full-time entrepreneur. So I would like to welcome you, Rose. Pasok.
Hello, good evening. Naririnig niyo ba ako?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Hindi ko makita sa monitor ko.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, welcome. Now, about Valentus po, ito po yung nakakatawa sa business na ito, no? Sa business namin, business natin. It's that despite everything that is happening around the world, it is so surprising and really amazing that the company is still going strong. No, other companies are closing, but not with Valentus. Actually, we are opening more and more. We have a manufacturing plant being started here in the Philippines to be a gateway para sa mga shipping ng mga products dito sa Asia and other parts of the world. And another warehouse is opening in Thailand. So with that, masasabi ko na if you are looking for a business or for an additional income, this is the time to join the company. Because kahit na dito sa Philippines, no, kahit na ang product pa lang na meron tayo is coffee, pero ang sales po is tumataas. At alam niyo naman ang mga Pilipino, maparaan po yan. Besides, our company, even if you are here in the Philippines, your market is global. Kaya hindi tayo naka-confine lang sa kung saang lugar ka nakatira. You only need a cell phone and the internet, and your market mo is worldwide. Kaya this is the right time for you to join. We are on the sweet spot. Momentum po, 2 million a month po ang income ng Valentus. And papunta na po tayo sa critical mass, and actually, medyo ano pa lang, yung sinasabi ngayon ni Dr. Chi, be ready for the second tsunami. So talagang we are really growing despite the global pandemic. And ito po yung commitment po ng company for every distributor, for every member. 50% of every sales sales will be ikakalat po para incentives po sa mga members. Kasi alam po ni Dave Jordan, the CEO, being a distributor himself, alam niya yung hirap ng isang distributor. So, unlike sa ibang sa traditional na company, right? Minsan, kung ikaw, todo trabaho ka, pero yung mga nasa taas mo, hindi masyadong nag-work, pero mas malaki ang kita. Not here. Kung ano yung effort na binigay mo, yun din yung ibibigay ng company na incentives sa'yo. And you'll be receiving 7 profit centers through the company. Ano itong mga ito? I will not be dwelling much into details. Just make a run-through of the incentives, no? Kasi, well, later I'll explain. So, retail commission, parang yung direct selling lang, benta-benta po tayo for every product. You get may kita ka na po doon. Ngayon, yung fast start bonus, pag may bumili through your website, may ano na po yun, may nakalaan na po ang company na parang kita for you. It's not just that, kung meron pong may tinatawag kami nga legacy coded, this will be explained. If you really are interested in the business, there will be a separate parang seminar, or you can go to the person who invited you para talagang mas matutukan, ma-explain ng mabuti kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng legacy coded. Pero definitely, the company, the CEO himself is very generous na for every ruby na mapapasok sa company under you, you'll be given $200. Pero yung first 3 mo, $100. Pero infinity na po yun. And for the Dual Team Commission, ito nga po yung maganda po dito, no? Hindi ka solo. You're not, hindi ka solo flight dito sa company. Kung gusto mo kumita and para maging mas masarap ang tagumpay, teamwork po tayo. Nakakatuwa lang na as you begin to help others under you, ikaw din umaangat eh. So we're not just into recruiting and recruiting. Tinitingnan din po natin how we can help yung mga friends natin or even other people, yung mga cold market. The Dual Team Commission, it will be explained in details. And yung sa 1% global volume share, ito po, unlike sa ibang mga companies, right? Only yung mga nasa mataas na ranking ang nabibigyan ng share sa kinikita ng company. Dito po, sa isang buwan, kung meron kang nai-enroll na tatlo na Ruby ang entry, you are entitled to 1 share sa global volume. Meaning, kung ano yung kinita ng company in 1 month, tapos may ilalaan sila na porsyento doon na i-distribute pabalik dun sa mga members na naka-recruit ng 3 Ruby. Okay? So, it doesn't matter kung ikaw ba ay beginner ka pa lang sa company, hindi ka pa naka-rank up to a diamond position, basta meron kang na-recruit na 3 Ruby, you're entitled, you are qualified to this 1% global volume. O di ba? Ang saya. So, this is a very good incentive for starters in the business. And hindi lang yun, meron po tayong car bonus. If you have ranked up to the diamond position, meron ka ng, you'll be receiving $400. And as you go higher sa company, sa ranking, the company is so generous to tatapatan nila, kumbaga, yung effort na binigay mo sa ranking mo pati. Okay? So you can go as high as $3,000 just sa car bonus. Yan, hindi rin po naka-indicate dito, pero isa sa incentive po ng company is yung for those who are triple diamond, meron po siyang free 7 days po sa Bahamas, all expense paid ng company. So, can a beginner or someone without any networking background do this? Yes. Kasi ngayon po, madali lang po eh. Lahat naman tayo, lalo na ngayon na we are more or less confined sa bahay, kailangan mo lang cellphone. Marami naman tayo mga kaibigan, right? So this is the time for us to be reconciled, to reconnect with our friends. And since we have a very good news to share to them, let's not hide our business. The results that we are receiving from the products that we use, wag po tayong sarilinin. I-share natin yung mga good news na resulta natin to others. Like, if syempre marami tayong kakilalang may mga karamdaman o may mga pangangailangan, yun po, sila yung mga pwede nating i-reach out. So, we can start them by sharing with them yung ating website so that they will know the products that we have. We share with them our experience as well. And then, we can have them try our products. Meron po tayo yung parang 6-day trial packs ng coffee, sachet, or, well, madiskarte tayo Pilipino. Yung nga sinasabi ko, we have ways and means to let our products be shared, be tried by friends, and then we follow up. Importante po yung follow up. Kasi we want to let them know na they matter to us. Their concern are our concerns as well. Okay? So, nabanggit po ni Jonah kanina, to start with the company, you only need $20 or 1,000 pesos. But so far, sa Philippines po ngayon, naka-waive po yung 1,000 na parang membership fee. That's lifetime, by the way. So, naka-waive po siya. So, parang you have your own business. anong produkto mo. So, you can start with, kami po, we're encouraging that if you, kung meron ka rin namang enough cash, we recommend that you start with a business builder pack. Okay, 16 items na po yun. Ang kagandahan po pati dito sa company, you get to choose the products that you want. Although, yun nga po, dito sa Philippines, we still only have coffee. Pero maparaan nga po tayo mga Pilipinos. Pero ito po, if you have family members or friends who are abroad and they are interested, they can choose the products that they want. 16 items po. With that po, kung medyo kinakapos pa pero interested, we have other packs that we can offer. You can start with only one item kasi you already have your website ni. So promote, and share. Ganun lang po. Okay. What 5 benefits of the Biz Pack? You're setting a good example for those who you are trying to invite, people you want to help as well. It's a workable inventory. Best value po, $59 or $36 lamang po ang instead of $59 po ang isang item, maging $36 na lang po siya. So sa presyong sa peso po ang convert po nun, kung ang isang item is 3,500, kung yung ang kukunin mong package is yung 16 pack, ang kalalabasan po nun, ang isang item would only be like 2,050 or 2,100. So, dun pa lang, so may 1/4 ka ng kita, right? So, demonstrate the commitment, plug in. Katulad po dito, we have webinars. Just always be tuned in kung ano yung mga schedule ng mga webinars so that dito po tayo natututo. We maximize our earnings by becoming a Ruby. So again, as I've explained kanina, in terms of the compensation plan, medyo kailangan ng detalyadong explanation po nito. So go to the person who invited you so that it can be explained in details. You can also ask the person who invited you. Mas ano po siya, mas intimate po pag ganun, correct? So, do I want to do this? For me, it's a big yes. Kasi po dito para lang kaming naglalaro. Yeah, I mean, I'm a nurse. I have no background in networking, but I find the relationship between me and other IR or independent representatives na hindi ko pa nakikilala in person, pero kung magchika-chika sa webinar or sa mga messenger, it's as if we have known each other for a long time na. Hindi lang yun na you get to be healthier, you're losing weight, and you're maintaining your weight. You get to have additional income aside from what you are from the regular work that you are earning. And you're working from home, hindi lang from home, working from everywhere, basta may cellphone at may internet or may gadget. You get to own your own life. Hindi ka nakatali sa work na 9 to 5, bibiyahe ka pa. Ito kahit saan. You can do your business anywhere. Personal growth, yes, kasi ang dami pong mga seminars dito, may maraming mga trainings. All you need to do is to get connected with all the trainings that are being provided by the company, mga company calls. Tapos ito po, meron nga ini-endorse yung GoPro. So if you are interested and you really want to grow more in network marketing, I suggest check on the GoPro or ask the one who invited you. Okay? Recognition, the company recognized every person, every effort that na binibigay ng bawat IR po dito. Okay. So Tapos na po yung products and the compensation business plan in summary. Ngayon, I want to turn you over again to Madam Jonah for our testimonies po.
Okay, so thank you so much, Carla. Maraming salamat. For
Rose?
now, so nakita nyo na Rose, sorry. Kung ano yung industry, no? Ano yung industry na makakatulong sa inyo para makapagbigay ng inyong time freedom, better health, and financial freedom. And it's Valentus. And dahil doon, I would like to introduce to you, she's from Australia. She is an emerald in this business, and she's a motivated and loving mom. And she's doing this business a part-time but a full-hearted entrepreneur. So I would like to call on Antoinette Padua. Please share your Valentus journey to us.
Hello! Good day, good evening sa inyong lahat. Katatapos lang ng work. Okay. I'm Antoinette Padua from Australia. I'm born and raised in the Philippines. Ilocano po by heart. So, naimbangal daw yung amin kakabsat. I've been in Australia for 27 years. I work as enrolled nurse in an aged care setting. So, my journey with Valentus, it's all started with a cup of coffee, free taste from my sister. Just a curiosity post from Facebook of our cousin in the UK. She posted a picture of hers before and after drinking the Valentus coffee. So, na-curious yung kapatid ko. So, nagtanong siya to how to order the coffee. So, yung cousin namin, binigay yung link niya. So, she ordered just 1 tub as a customer because gusto lang niyang matry yung kape. So, she ordered 1 tub. Then, just after 5 days, na-receive niya yung product from the US. So, pinatry niya sa akin, sabi niya, itry mo lang pero isang taste lang. Isang cup lang. So sabi ko, ano ka pa naman? Sige naman, patry pa ng isa. Sabi niya, hindi pwede, isa lang daw. Mag-order daw ako para mas maganda. Kasi sabi niya, isa lang kasi isang buwan, para lang sa akin to, pang isang buwan lang to. So sabi ko, sige na nga, mag-order na nga rin lang ako. Pero sabi niya, bago ka mag-order, mag-sign up muna ako as an IR. So nag-sign up siya as an IR para ako naman mag-sign up as an IR under niya. So that's what we did. So as an IR Ruby siya, nag-sign up din ako as an IR Ruby. So that's what we did. Benta, akala namin benta-benta lang yon. So wala talaga kaming ka-experience ng network marketing at all. Walang ka-experience. So I'm not a coffee drinker, but I did try to taste it because I wanted to lose a few pounds naman. So, and I look at the benefits of the coffee. It's for healthy weight management. So it's really good. So when I found out that you can earn income just by drinking and sharing the coffee to other people, you can earn income. So that's why I take the risk to sign up as an IR. So after that, legacy after 3 months. After 3 months, I got my legacy coded. Then after that, I got my emerald rank. So actually, it's my first network marketing business, no experience at all. So we're just lucky enough na we don't need any qualifications to join the global business company. So this quote by Richard Branson gave me an inspiration. So if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity, but you are not sure you can do it, just say yes, then learn how to do it later. So after that, it's been really good because I had a couple of few naman ang nag-sign up sa akin, but they are not coachable. It's so hard to ask them to join the webinar. They got lots of reasons. So they're not coachable at all. But then I did not quit. I just keep moving forward. If they are not coachable, it's not my loss. So I just keep sharing. I just keep sharing to people. So probably one day, the right people will join at the right time. So I may not be there yet, but I will get there no matter what it takes. I will get there. I just have to believe in myself, show up every day to do the work. That is the secret of success. So I just need to work harder, be more coachable, and consistent. We're all consistent anyway. We're always on the webinar. We're always on the Zoom call. Opportunity call. So we'll get there. My big why, it's just time and financial freedom and be healthy. As I continue using the V products, because majority of the products I use them. We use them, especially Emulin. Number 1 ang Emulin at saka yung kape sa akin. Well, lahat, paborito ko lahat, iniinom ko lahat. Lalo na yung Thermoperks, that's the Maxi Spray. Then after that, my Thermoperk, then yung kape. Tapos saka ako mag-Emulin. Half an hour before my breakfast. So after that, my 24/7, I take it as well with my Emulin. So it's been really a good journey taking the products. So thank you, Dave and Joyce Jordan, for this amazing opportunity. Thank you, Dr. Chi and Ma'am Giselle, for your never-ending support to us all. And to all my V family, maraming salamat. And hoping and praying that one day I will meet you all in person. Very soon. Sana po. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for sharing your Valentus journey. Antoinette, ako soon magkikita-kita rin tayo. At dahil nga nabanggit mo rin kanina na napakaganda rin, one of your number 1 products is the Max Spray. So, ngayon, I will introduce to you. She's from California. So, kaya magandang umaga. She's from California. She's also wonderful, loving, and passionate woman doing this business. And she is a double diamond. She's a double diamond. Okay, so Carla, please share your Valentus journey.
Good morning, everyone. It is almost 5 o'clock in the morning here sa California. Malamig na. Anyways, ako po si Carla Agbayani from California, Double Diamond. I started 2018 with sa Valentus. Simple lang, by Miss May Bonin, yung shinare niya about she had lost weight sa product. Without hesitant po, nagtanong ako kung ano yon, and no-brainer, nag-join ako. Bumili ako agad-agad kasi nga ang dami ng mga products that I've tried regarding losing weight. Ngayon, so doon ako nagsimula as a customer. At nagustuhan ko naman at si Dr. Chi, after a month, he has asked me to check regarding sa business. I wasn't really into it kasi nga marami na rin akong sinalihan ng mga networking. But so far kasi nga yung product talaga ang nag ano sa akin na this is really meant to be shared. Is something na maraming matutulungan. But a lot of people but that time kasi I was full-time pharmacy technician working as a graveyard shift. Sandali, hold on. Turn it off then. Sorry, nagpapakulo ako ng itlog. Pang breakfast mamaya. Anyway, sorry kasi I was working as a full-time pharmacy technician graveyard shift. So nakatulong na malaki sa akin yung coffee in terms sa energy, beside of course losing weight talaga, no? But I wanted to share talaga regarding this Magic Max Spray po natin talaga. A lot of people doesn't realize kung ano pa po nagagawa nito. Ito po talaga supplement po talaga siya. You spray under your tongue 4 times a day, 3 times 4 times, 3 times a day after ng meals mo. In-explain naman yata nila Miss kung anong nagagawa nito, but beside that po, marami pong hindi nakakaalam na pwede niyong gawing pwede siyang gamitin as a topical, meaning pwedeng spray directly po sa area ninyo. Na-try na po namin. Ito wala pong medical claims, but has an experience po. Na-try na po namin sa earache, sa sakit ng tenga. Na-try ko na rin po ng ipit ng daliri ko sa pinto. Eczema, kasi yung aking niece, meron din siyang eczema. Mga pantal-pantal, ng mga anak ko. Ako kasi, bata pa lang po ako, pantalin na po ako. I don't know kung nasa air or pagbabago ng climate. Basta nagpapantal na lang kami minsan. Ano pa ba? Pimples. Kung meron kayong pimples na masakit, kahit maliit lang po yan, I spray directly to it. The next day, maganda na po siya, yung parang natutuyot na po siya madali. Ganyan. Tapos ano pa ba? Na-mention sa akin ng sister ko about hemorrhoids. Maganda rin po pala yan dyan. Ang pinaka wanted to share po regarding yung burn. Ms. Rose, you wanna share yung picture? Yan po. Ito po yung pinaka I wanted to share po talaga kasi this is my dad's burn nung kung makikita niyo po yung date diyan 19. September 19 po, that was Saturday. Ngayon, ang nangyari po pala, actually, Wednesday pa po yung burn niyang yan. So, meaning 3 days bago ko nakita yan, yung the 19th, So, kung makikita niyo po nung 19, talagang, kasi pinutok niya na po yan eh. So, ganyan ang itsura nung yung nakita ko bago pa namin in-spray ng Max Spray, Tapos the 22nd was the 2021. So 3 days after, ayan na po yung itsura niya. Ngayon, kung ako po sa inyo, wag niyo po siyang titipirin, Wag niyo pong titipirin. In terms of pag yung mahapde, yes, mahapde na kasi hindi ko po kasi alam na they didn't have this on hand. Pero kung in-spray nila agad-agad yung time nangyari, it wouldn't be like that. It wouldn't be as bad as that. So, but what I'm saying is, 3 days later, tingnan nyo na po ang itsura niya, di ba, Gumanda na po at umayos na ng maigi. And then 3 weeks later, yan na po ang itsura on October 6. So, napakaganda po talaga nitong ating Max Spray. Kaya, this is something that I always have it with me wherever I go. Hindi lang po yan, something na instant pain po, katulad ng minsan yung anak ko kapag naglalaro siya ng basketball, na ano yung daliri niya o yung wrist niya. Ako naman takbo naman ako naman po ay mommy to the rescue, takbo agad, spray kaagad po sa kanya kasi that way makabalik kaagad siya maglaro. Kasi yung parang instant pain po, parang yung anything na instant, katulad yung naipit yung daliri ko minsan, talagang in-spray ko muna siya ng 10 times. Tapos yung hindi pa nawala yung kanyang pain, nag-spray uli ako. Kasi syempre po, pagka naipit kayo, talagang mamimilipit ka po sa sakit, di po ba? Hindi ko kaagad-agad mawawala yung pain. But with this po, in-spray ko siya 10 times. I waited for a minute or two. Nung hindi pa nawala yung pain, spray na naman po ako. Beside pa yung I spray in my mouth po as a daily. So, but what I'm saying is anything na ganon po na yung paso, especially kahit maliit lang yan, mahapdi yan, di ba po? So, spray, spray, spray. Yun lang po ang aking maano dahil nakita nyo naman po yung itsura ng burn, ano? Talagang napakagandang anat po ito. So, yun lang masasabi ko, yun lamang. Back to you, Miss Jonalyn.
Alright, so yun lamang. Maraming salamat to Antoinette Padua and Carla from California, Antoinette from Australia. Maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak ng aming imbitasyon. Talagang sa inyong mga pagbabahagi ng inyong stories, marami kayong may inspired na mga tao na katulad natin. At sa mga gustong sumali sa business. Okay, so sa mga gustong magtanong, so narito ang ating triple diamond si Josel from California. Meron tayong double diamond